Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today I have the new CRIATURA palette. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, from Ladybug Glow. CRIATURA, which means creature. I believe this is in Portuguese. Let's open this palette up and let's see what we're getting, because it is available right now. So we do get a mirror, and inside are 12 beautiful shadows. There are 8 matte shadows, 1 holochrome, 2 multi-chromes, and 1 duochrome. Ignore the meowing in the background. The kitty is awake. Oh my goodness. Sister! Sister! This is my life. This is my life. I apologize. My affiliate code Steff will save you 10% off of your order. This palette is priced, I think with the code, it comes out to $37, which is actually not a bad price. I'm going to be creating 2 looks today. I'll let you decide in the comments at the end of the video which look you think I'm going to head to work in. But I'm really excited about this color story and I like the layout of it. I chose to put on a white eyeshadow base from Moira because I really want to get some of these lighter shades to pop a bit. But I love that every time Amanda sends a palette in PR, which I did receive this in PR, Amanda's the owner of Ladybug Glow, she always sends a little write-up of, not instructions, but details about the palette. And I wish every brand would do that because it is so helpful. If it is your first time here on my channel, let me just say hello and welcome to all of you. My name is Steff. I love trying out new makeup, especially new indie makeup. I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, makeup ranking videos, all that good stuff. If that sounds great to you, I want to invite you to become part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button and hit the bell next to it. That way you'll be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you're a fan of Ladybug Glow, or you just want to see this CRIATURA palette in action, please give this video a big thumbs up before you go. As usual, everything that I'm wearing will be linked and listed in the description box. Some of those links might be affiliate links, so if you do end up shopping through them, I thank you so much for supporting me on my channel. Let's get started, guys. If y'all want to see the 2 looks I'm about to create, keep on watching. Okay, so I am wearing a green dress. I thought green would pair perfectly with any look I decided to go with. So I really want to try this shade, although I feel like I probably need a little more, I should have added a little more of the white base, but we'll see what we can get out of this one, because this one is the one that swatched really light. This one is called Phantasm. I'm going to start by placing that here with my Game Beauty E01. My palette arrived late. It was supposed to arrive Saturday morning, and I didn't get it until Monday afternoon. So it is Tuesday morning when you are seeing this video, and possibly Tuesday evening, depending on what time I get home from work today. If I can edit it real quick, the day that you're watching this video. If not, you're going to be watching it the following morning, and we'll just be getting ready for the day together. I'm going to bring that all the way towards the end out here. This is a really pretty shade. It's doing well. It's showing up. I think the addition of the white base really makes a difference. Now on a BK211, I'm going to go into this shade right here called Swamp. Focus that out here. Ooh, I am loving this color combination. How pretty. I'm going to go in with a little bit more of the first shade right in here, just to kind of blend a little bit better. Now, which one of these beautiful shimmers are we going to go in with? We could go in with a green, but I think I'm going to go in with this one right here. This one is called Epic. I'm using a damp Morphe M124. I think that was a good call. I love the way that looks paired with the matte shadows. You'll notice it, I'm not taking it all the way in because I want that mint shade to show. Going back in with the shade Swamp just to blend. All right, now for the lower lash line, I think I'm going to do this shade up here. This one is called Critter. Taking Critter on a BK204. Ooh, I love the purple with the green. I think it is such a cool color combination. I'm going to bring in that mint shade down here as well. And I think we're going to leave the look here. I don't know that I want any shimmer. I like the matte just in the inner corner. So let me pop off camera to take care of finishing touches, and I'll be right back to show you look number one. All right, guys, so here's the completed look number one. I'm going to be using a Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara, a little Essence eyeliner pen for the top lash line, and for the lower waterline, I went in with an LA Girl Shockwave metallic eyeliner. This one is in the shade Ocean. I love the way this look turned out. Love it so, so much. Let's move over to the left eye and we'll start working on look number two. All right, let's play with these top row shades because I think they look really, really fun, especially the green and the purple together. Are you gonna get mad if I do two green looks? I gotta use this one. I really gotta use this one. This one is called, is it Ludge? No. I don't know, the lime green shade. I'm taking the shade on a Game Beauty E01, and I'm gonna focus it here on the inner portion and also bring it towards the middle. Now in a Clarity Cosmetics 220, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here called Monster. I'm gonna focus that towards the outer portion and also bring it on the lid and in the crease a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with CRIATURA on a Singe Beauty E05. And I'm going to focus that out here. We'll use this to deepen up the outer corner. Okay, now let's start playing with some of these beautiful shimmer shadows. I think these two are going to be the ones I go in with, and I'm going to start first with this one. This one's called Fantasy, and the second one is called Whimsical. Taking Fantasy on a damp Morphe and 124. That looks so pretty. Look at that. Woo! Gorgeous with those matte shades. Same brush. Now we're going in with Whimsical. Getting a little bit of fallout on this one. I would recommend a glitter primer. These are beautiful together. Wow. That is one of my favorite color combinations. Now for the lower lash line, should we do the pink? That would pop it. Since I already used this purple, let's try this one. Let's try the pink. And I'm taking this on an It's Belle E3. This is just going to give it a totally different look. Now I'm going to go in with the only shimmer I haven't used, and it's this one right here. This one's called Illusion. Same brush. I did spray it. And I think, guys, there's only one shadow I didn't get to use, and it was this like taupe matte at the bottom. So I think I did pretty good. Let me pop off camera to take care of the finishing touches. I'll be right back to show you the completed look number two. All right, guys, so here is the completed look number two. I love it. So colorful, so fun. Same everything with the exception of the lower waterline. I wanted to keep it kind of light, but still like pinky red. And I went in with this one from e.l.f. It's one of their No Budge shadow sticks in the shade Bombshell. Love it. Ooh, two really fun looks. And I got to use 11 out of the 12 shades that are in this palette. Let me go ahead and wrap up today's video and share with you guys my final thoughts. Okay, guys, so CRIATURA. I hope I'm really pronouncing that right. Cute little packaging, cute artwork. I love this one. I think this is a fun, unique color story because you have like your brights on the top and then you have your more deeper kind of also pastel tones at the bottom. I think it's a nice mixture of both shades, and the row of multi duochromes, holochrome in there, I think is perfection. Any one of these 4 shadows will pair nicely with any of the mattes that are in the shadow. This is the only shade that I did not get to use, but I think it's a really solid palette. Another amazing release from Ladybug Glow, and I'm so glad that they sent it to me. This is available now on their website, and my affiliate code Steff will save you 10% off of your order. Now it's your turn to let me know what you thought of this cutie over here, and let me know which look you think I'm going to be wearing to work today. I could seriously go either way. You think I'm going to wear look 1 or look 2? Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye.